So here we are with the latest news at the Pinnacle School. The very interesting Lucida photography workshop is going on. Today is the second day and the group have visited to the Delhi Heart for the photo walk. Let's see what's happening there.
Good afternoon everyone. Well, we are here with something new and interesting yet again. This time we are having the Lucida photography workshop going on in our school, and this is the day 2 of the workshop, and we are at Delhi Heart for the outdoor photo shoot.
Here we have with us Miss Arunima and Mr. Mridul and Mr. Pradeep, who are our mentors for the workshop, and they've been teaching us about different technicalities about the workshop, and they'll be our mentors for the 4-day in the workshop.
And maybe I'm the 4th one. The next one.
And you tell us, like, when did you start your photography thing? Like, when you had your plans decided that yes, I want to start photography?
Not really. We've gone through varied careers before we picked up photography seriously. So, Arunima is a development communication student. So in fact, before that she studied genetics.
Yeah.
And Pradeep studied history and I studied economics. So we all came from diverse backgrounds, started practicing as amateurs, and I think suddenly it dawned upon us one day that we should sort of take it, in some serious way. And there came NID, we studied seriously, and we're now in the career full time.
Ma'am, you speak very little, so I'd like to ask you, how has your experience been? You're like the quiet observer in the group.
It's just that I'm pretty younger than all of them, so I observe a lot and I learn through their learning, and I guess that's being my mantra, that I've been noticing my classmates or my seniors, and you're calling all of us mentors, but I call both of them my mentors, so I learn a lot from them. And so basically my journey was pretty interesting because I've studied science, and as every parent forces a child to go into the science and very serious stream, I'm also the victim of those parents, and I have chosen a very straight subject like science, and then I decided I don't want to continue because I was much more interested in something very creative like photography, so I chose it, and I'm here taking a workshop.
What about the Lucida? How did it come up?
Well, we were sort of towards the end of the course, and photography market in India is set up in a very unorganized way. So it's mostly dominated with freelance people, and there is no organized bodies which sort of treat photography and look at it in an intuitive or in the way of art. So essentially we thought that we all should get together, and whoever was interested should get together and set up something of our own, and sort of do a variety of things which we're doing right now. We all have varied interests, by the way, but school education program is something that all of us are very keen on doing, and we get back on it again and again. So all our creative energies get together at the school education program. We have otherwise independent interest requests, like somebody wants to do fashion, somebody wants to do documentary, like that.
So tell us, Mr. Pradeep, like, what is the objective of the whole Lucida photography?
Yeah, like Mridul said, we observed that when we started this course in NID, that photography in India is perceived in a very different way, totally different way. And part of this NID course, we also went to UK for a month as an exchange program. And we get to know, we were exposed to different perspectives of photography. So that is a triggering point, I would say, that we all were thinking as to what to do, how we can come together and kind of make a change and also make a career that way. So it's like, you can say, selflessness, that way.
How has your experience been in the Pinnacle till now?
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah, I'm very happy to be part of you. You're a very creative group you are, you're very enthusiastic. I remember my childhood days, we never had such exposure, never had such workshops. I remember all we used to have is like a dance or a theatre class. I mean, this is something which is much more beyond that what a child normally gets it. So,
And I was also talking about the family assignment that we just did in a day's time. And what was commendable was that people came out with very interesting stories all through, you know. So that was very impactful, and I guess you can make some very interesting work in the next 2 days as well.
We didn't quite expect that because it's practically not possible to grab all that, you know, in one day, and then yeah, it's quite commendable.
Alright, I would like to say we are awesome. And so like Lucida is entirely yours.
Yes, we own the company.
So owners are in the club now.
Yes.
Yeah, we are missing one more member. She's not feeling well, so she had to go back home. Suruchi.
So thanks a lot for giving us your precious time.
Thank you, not at all.
Thank you. No problem.
Hope to see you soon in your future as well.
We will.
Okay, thanks.
Well,